Hello, this is Fiona from Shanghai Aluminum. Today I'm going to show you around our factory and introduce it to you. So let's go! Hello, this is Fiona speaking. I'm from Shanghai Aluminum. Today I'm going to show you around our factory and introduce it to you. Look, this is my office. This is the accountant office. This is the energy office. Our boss office are downstairs. Would you like to drink some Chinese tea? I'm happy to invite you to drink some Chinese tea with me here. Okay, next step, let's go to visit the factory. Our factory is located in Foshan famous industrial zone. The factory covers 23,000 square meters and there are about 100 staff. You can see those profiles are our customers. A little slowly, right? Okay, I work faster. You can see those profiles are for windows and doors. We have completed facilities. We have 6 machines and the machine works 24 hours a day and produce about 1,000 tons aluminum per month. Oh, it's so hot today. Those are our roll heater. You can see it. Okay, look at this. Those are the aluminum billets. We have all kinds of aluminum billets. You can see. The first step, we put the aluminum billets into the roll heater and heat it to about 500 degrees. The next step is to put the aluminum into the extrusion. Those is the 1,000 tons extrusions. You can see. Okay, go on. This is our extruded profile. The profile just extruded is soft and curved, so that we need to use the traction machine. You can see that one is traction machines to straighten. If you come here to visit, be careful. Don't touch it because it is so hot. It used to be straightened manually, but we improved the technologies to use machines. We can greatly improve the production efficiencies and profile quality. You can see this is our discarded aluminums. Those can be reduced in other industries. So, aluminum is an environmental material, right? Those is the aging machine. After we straighten the profile, we cut it to the length the customer wants. Then we put it into the aging machine to heat and cool to make it as hard as necessary. You can see. The final step is profile, surface treatments, and packing. You can see the workers are packing our profiles. Look, we also use machines to loading our profiles. You can see those are the anodized bronze profiles, which we export to Philippines. You can see. We exported about 4 containers, about 1,000 tons to Philippines. Okay, finish these tours. Our price is completed in the aluminum business, and with our good qualities, our customers are always loyal to purchase from our factories for years. So feel free to cooperate with us. Bye bye. See you next time.